Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dash on Geometry Dash Lite. This exciting game mode challenges your reflexes and timing. Your main goal is to guide your icon through a series of obstacles, reaching the level's end without crashing. Tapping the screen makes your character jump, while holding allows for continuous movement in certain modes. Mastering these simple controls is key to navigating the increasingly complex levels and achieving victory. The core controls in Geometry Dash Lite are straightforward, yet require precision. A single tap on your screen makes your geometric icon jump. If you hold your finger down, your icon will perform a continuous jump or ascend if you are in ship mode. Releasing your finger will cause your icon to descend. Perfecting the timing of these taps and holds is essential for clearing gaps and avoiding the many dangers in each level. Geometry Dash Lite features several mechanics that add depth to its gameplay. Gravity portals will flip your icon's orientation, reversing its gravitational pull. Jump pads and orbs offer helpful boosts or enable you to perform jumps while in the air. Teleportation portals will instantly transport your icon to a different part of the level. Additionally, your icon can transform into various game modes, such as a ship or a ball, each with its own unique control scheme and movement patterns. To excel in Geometry Dash Lite, begin with the easier levels to grasp the basics and build confidence. Pay close attention to the level's layout to anticipate obstacles and plan your moves. Consistent practice, especially on challenging sections, will significantly improve your muscle memory and reaction time. Remember to use the practice mode, which allows you to set checkpoints, helping you master difficult segments without restarting the entire level. Patience and persistence are key to conquering every challenge.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.